Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you what you can do if you can't get verification code from Gmail. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first here, let's go ahead and open up the settings on your iPhone and head over to Messages. Now the first thing that you need to do is to turn off iMessages and then turn it back on. Doing so is going to reactivate and refresh your iMessages. Next, you can scroll down and make sure that Send as SMS is turned on. Next, you can scroll down a bit more and make sure that Filter Unknown Senders is turned off. Now after this, you can also reboot your device to make sure that everything works perfectly. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.